boys and girls. Can you believe this is our last week? I'm excited and sad at the same time. Hey, we're going to have some fun today, and I wanted to just show you what is in store for you. So this is your slide for the day, and the video will be right here, the morning announcement. And this is a schedule for your parents and your guardians to look at as a reminder if they forgot, oh, when do I pick up your supplies from school, which includes something fun and your report card and some goodies and your supplies from school. So, for example, if your name is Doyle, ooh, there's D, I would come and pick my supplies up between the hours of 9 and 10 a.m. today. And here's your slide of fun stuff that you get to do. It's Camp Talon online. Isn't that great? So it's Science Tuesday. So you have four choices. Make a unicorn slime. And what you would do is click on the link. You're used to that. It's going to take you to a website to show you how to make unicorn slime. The next choice, make your own toilet paper roll binoculars. Awesome. Again, click on the link. It'll take you to the website that's going to explain that. Third choice, learn about crazy animal camouflage. So there's a fish there, it's hard to see. But click on the link again, it'll take you to a place where you're going to learn, be a scientist and learn about the different kinds of camouflage. It kind of connects in with our habitats and what we are learning the early part of this year. And the last activity that you can choose from, play a science game. So this is on PBS Kids. Click on the link. So once you've done one or four or two, whatever, it's your choice. But I do want you to do something. Okay, this is not a free pass. You have to choose one minimum. So then when you're done, so that I know that you're doing your work, because we want to hold you accountable because we're still in school, you're going to click on Padlet. It's going to take you to this Padlet, Science Tuesday, and you're going to, you can't see it, it's over here in the corner. Let me see, move my screen. You're going to click on this plus symbol in the lower right corner. It says double click anywhere on the screen. So I'm going to double click. Oh, look. So I'm going to take a picture of my activity and I'm going to upload it, or you can just type and tell us what you did. But everybody's required to do at least one activity and post it. If you want to be marked present today, you're going to choose one minimum activity and you're going to then go to Padlet. So I really hope you enjoy this today and have a wonderful Tuesday. Bye.